have a whole bunch of events the next few days. It's just a good opportunity to show you guys what it's like going to all of these brand events.
It's a beautiful jacket though.
Don't come up here, no! Hey guys!
I still don't. What's the fit?
It's throwing back.
Yeah, I'll say it in 100 ways. Please believe me when I say I'm sorry.
Hi guys, good morning. Sorry for obnoxiously chewing my gum, but I'm about to head out to go to a lunch. So for the next few days, I have a whole bunch of events. Basically, I have a whole bunch of events the next few days. I feel like it's just a good opportunity to show you guys what it's like living in LA and just going to all of these brand events as like a content creator person. So anyway, come with me to my brand events and then you can see what they're like. And of course, I'm running super late, so I gotta go like right now. So I'll see you. Bye!
So lucky to get the chance to work so closely with TDD.
Okay guys, so I just finished my little event and that was really fun. I met some new friends, but now I have like some time to kill, so I'm just gonna walk around and just maybe window shop. I'm kind of near Rodeo-ish. I don't know. I'm like not used to walking. Like I'm like confused where I'm going, but it's fine. I saw that there were like some shops down the street, so I'm gonna go check them out.
Makes my shoulders look really wide. It's a beautiful jacket though. The quality is amazing.
you put salt or no? How much salt?
Not a lot.
Okay.
Very little.
Okay. Okay, shuffling it up. Hi, Beanie. Hi. Don't come up here. No!
I
No!
don't think he likes it anymore.
This is the spread. All our tacos that we're having today. Beanie. Girl. No. Anyway, so John has corn tortillas. I have cauliflower tortillas. We just made these fajita veggie thingies. Shredded chicken from Costco. Salsa, and then I have cottage cheese on the side. Meow, Beanie. Ooh. Hey guys, we're eating dinner.
What's
Tacos. Hey, girl. Get some of this chicken. This is like the easiest
Princess.
dinner.
That drink is good.
Yeah.
Rose.
Can I try it? It's from Wild Wonder. I really like their drinks. They have it's like probiotic seltzer. Loki, I kind of want to make a burrito bowl.
Yeah, I'm sure we'll have like some leftovers, right?
Well, I don't know. You got 4 tortillas, girl.
I don't really stuff them.
Oh, that's true. I stuff them.
Because I like the.
Stuff them. I stuff them.
I want to be able to eat it without making a mess.
I don't make a mess.
I do though.
Yeah. Some salsa. I wish we got the spicy one. The salsa is honestly pretty good.
I like this one.
Wait, can we get some hot sauce up in here? Get some hot sauce up in these, girl. Gorge. Oh my god. Yay! Wait, this looks so good. Tapatio, my favorite. Love. Wait, my taco is like stacked.
That's a good one.
I definitely am not.
How are you gonna eat that? That make you.
I actually like this is like way too overfilled.
Actually, mine's already becoming overfilled too.
Well, your tortilla is so much bigger than mine, and Loki, I feel like I have more stuff than you. Guys, look. It's huge. I'm going.
You put your cottage cheese.
Mm-hmm. It's so good. You make so good, but this is La Vic sauce.
Dude, I haven't had that in 2 years now, I think.
There's a Mexican restaurant in the Bay Area called La Victoria. Best sauce ever. Like, I've never had a sauce that tastes that good, right? It's been a long day. What'd you do today?
Took my test. 5 hours.
You're reviewing it? You've been reviewing since then? Damn, girl.
What did you do today?
I worked out, went to a brand event, met some new friends, talked to some people. Beanie's hair is in here, ew. And then I came home. And you were cooking onions. Wait, this tapatio is like kind of necessary.
Maybe there won't be extra chicken.
Boy, I told you, what am I gonna eat?
I don't know, we'll see, Actually, yeah, the tapatio is very necessary. Oh, La Vic sauce though, dude. It's fine. Can your dad bring some down or something? Or what? Like, how am I ever gonna have it?
This is our dessert selection for the night. We have Trader Joe's macaron ice cream sandwich. This is actually so good. And it's also like really big. Like, look at this compared to my hand. Like, hello. And then, hey girl. Then we have this Van Leeuwen Sicilian pistachio ice cream. I've never had this before, so I'm excited. Oh, and we're gonna watch White Lotus. Yay. Girl, what are you doing? No chocolate for you. Hey, yo. Hello. Good morning. I'm doing my makeup right now, and today we have 2 more brand events. We have Coco Kind in like 2 hours. I'm bringing my friend from college, and we are gonna go together. I'm gonna show you guys what the launch is, but it's basically Coco Kind's new lip balm, and it looks so good. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm excited to go and like swatch all of them. But it's these lip balms, and they look so cute, and you can like put charms on and everything. I'm just getting ready really quick, and Ali's gonna come here, and then we're gonna hurry on over. But the thing is, the venue is like literally right next to Community Goods, so like we might go get a little matcha before. But yeah, we have a lot of events today. We have that, and then later tonight we have VT Cosmetics, which is a skincare brand, another skincare brand. Wow. And that John is gonna go with me for that one, and it's gonna be so fun. So anyway, I'm gonna quickly get ready and then put my outfit on, do all the things, and then I'll show you guys my fit when I'm all done and ready. Okay guys, my outfit is done. I'm all ready to go. Okay, I hate wearing lip gloss because it always sticks to my hair. But anyway, here's the fit. I have this little like little sheer thing under. I forgot what it's from. I'll put the name if I remember. And then I have this brandy tank top situation. My necklaces. I got this necklace yesterday at the LTK event, and I thought it was just like so perfect. Yeah. Yeah. And then my bag is from LMA. Super cute. And then I got my belts that I thrifted, and then jeans I also thrifted. I'm not wearing these sandals, of course, even though they're fire. I'll be wearing some little booties. Booty boots. But yeah, Ali is literally on her way, so we're gonna go, and it's gonna be so fun, and we're gonna get a little matcha beforehand. But yeah, that's the fit.
Strawberry and lemonade. Taste it. Good. The strawberry is actually really good. Really? It really actually tastes like a strawberry. I need more strawberry to it. You want cheese or do you want mustard? Mustard. Okay, so I flopped.
그래 미소에 넌 취한 것 같아 자꾸만
We're going going to VT event for the Riedel shot. I'm excited. This place is so nice. Oh, hey.
공기가 적당한 걸 바랬던 나를 돼 다른 음악이 돼.
Okay, this is so fun for you.
Okay.
So we have page of wands, three of cups, queen of cups. You're pursuing something new. Anytime we have a page, it's like a student. Totally like representative of the energy of like, came here, I'm gonna do this new thing, I'm gonna pursue it. And the fact that we have wands, it's like swift moving energy things. You're gonna pick up for you really quick. You need to trust and just continue to pursue it.
Okay.
Anytime I have three of cups, this is like friendship, community. You're gonna find it here. Yay! And you're like, not what do I think I'm supposed to do? Who am I? Like, what do I want to do? What lights me up? And that's going to magnetize the right people to you. That's like,
Yes.
people are gonna come to you because they're like, oh my gosh, I feel such a resonance because you're so you. Oh my gosh, queen energy. Like, exactly.
둘만의 밤
파도처럼
그댄 밀려오는데 달콤해 그대와 나로 한 잔의 스파클링 와인보다 향긋한 그 말 사랑해 이 세상 누구보다 더 마음의 이끌림을 따라 내게 다가가 입 맞출래 다음 생에 태어나도 내 선택은 그대예요 가까이에서
This is the PDRN that I made in the lab in Korea, sourced from salmon sperm in Korea, and other sperm that I sourced in Korea.
Wait.
What did you think?
I liked it.
What do your boyfriend think?
You like it?
I do.
Yeah.
I'm just reading, you know, all the ingredients.
달콤해 그대와
It's going back. And then I'm gonna pass.
비치 마티니보다 상큼한 그 말 사랑해 이 세상 누구보다 더
I'm so tired.
마음을 따라
I just want to go to sleep.
내게 다
I have Pilates at 9 a.m.